Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve marketing strategies with eBay. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by understanding your target audience. Research demographics and preferences related to your products. Utilize eBay's built-in analytics tools to gain insights. Analyze previous sales data to identify trends. Create a compelling eBay store listing. Use high-quality images that highlight your products effectively. Write detailed and engaging descriptions that focus on benefits. Incorporate relevant keywords to improve searchability. Set competitive pricing by researching similar listings. Consider offering free shipping to attract more buyers. Regularly update your inventory to keep your listings fresh. Utilize eBay promotions and discount tools to drive sales. Experiment with different listing formats, such as auctions or fixed-price sales. Engage with customers through eBay's messaging system. Promptly respond to inquiries to build trust and credibility. Collect and display positive feedback prominently. Use social media to share your eBay listings and drive traffic. Consider collaborations with influencers to reach a wider audience. Monitor your competitors regularly to adjust your strategies accordingly. Track your performance metrics to identify areas for improvement. Refine your marketing strategies based on data-driven insights. Stay informed about eBay's platform updates and features. Adapt your approach as trends and market dynamics change. With consistent effort, watch your sales increase over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.